Hi everybody, Robert here with more Revit Training. I had a question about fences, and this is a little yard project. Somebody wanted to build a fence here, and basically, the normally way you would do a fence is with your railing command under architecture, and you go here railing, and then here you would just do a sketch. So here, you can do the drop down here, and you got several railings. You got your guardrail, pipe, and your rectangular, your handrail. So let's say for your pipe, for instance, you just go and then finish it with the green check mark. So that would be just a regular guardrail, but in Revit, you more or less use the railing to do a fence. And I sort of played around with this fence right here. And what you do is you would select this guy and you would go at your edit type, and here um, you can go and change these families or these items or components. So here you select the rail structure, you select this, and there you're railing, and you select that, you can see each railing highlights. And then I want to cancel that. Now that's, and then you want to go look at we'll scroll this back. This will be your baluster, which are these. As you can see, the vertical or the horizontal and the vertical pipes, and that's that one. And then here again, you get the ends for that, and then you can make whatever kind you want. But I'm not going to go through this because it can be a little challenging. But I found here a really nice, like this one here. If you look at this one was structured this way, as you can see. And then you edit it. There's the top rail, the middle rail, the bottom. And you can add these and build these out. You really can. But what I found here, I know in the older versions of Revit, I'm going to do a window tile here and show you what I'm looking at here. That's my, you got this, I don't know, I had this in one of my older versions of Revit. And now I know they have it in the Australian, because I pulled this from an Australian file or Revit. And you got all these preset made fences here. So I'm going to go and I'm going to knock that one down. Well, I'll just window tab. I'll just tab these so we can see what's going on here. Okay. Now here we've got all your different fences, and we even got a hedge here. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to show you how you can move these over into your project. So go to my 3D here, and then, so what you can do actually here, I'm going to window tile these. And all you got to really do, you can just simply cut and paste. So I'm going to grab this fence right here and just select it. And I'm going to do a copy. And then I'm going to do in this file, I'm going to come into this file and I'm going to do a paste. Modify, paste. Okay, so now if I paste it in, the element is going to come in like so. All right, now then, while you got it in here, you can just go and say railing. And you can select that what you just included in here. I don't see, wait a minute, let's see which one that is. I'm going to cancel that and select it. So that's your fencing vertical out. So it should be in your railing property. So I'm going to my railing property, and there it is. So I can place it here. I'll finish it. And then what I'll do, this thing I made here, I can just match properties. Let's make this tab these views. I know this file is in other versions of Revit, But I had to find it. I had to go in the old version and bring it across because they didn't put it in the later versions of Revit. I don't know why. I think they have it in the Australian one. So I'm going to go ahead view. I'm going to tab these views. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just take this and match it. So once you get the set fence, uh-oh, that didn't work. And there you go. And let's go with this one here. And this is sort of something I was working on and I needed a fence. And this worked out just fine for me instead of creating or building this. So I'm going to go back into that other file. And we can even do a hedge. So we're going to go and we can select this hedge. And we're going to copy and paste it. So yeah, somebody asked me about fences. You can do this or you can build it, but this is very good if you don't have the time to build a fence. You can just come here and get hedges, and I'm going to do a copy and paste. And then I'm going to bring it in here, this file. And I'll go to the railing command. And then I'll just drop it, well, maybe put it up against the fence here. Just bring it right there. Let's say go to there, and then I'll go to my properties, and I don't see it there. So I want to finish it, see what I got. Okay, I got that again. So let's see what happened here. Maybe I didn't get it. Let's try it again. Let's copy. Oh, that's a head. See, it's metric, 50 millimeters high. That's about 4.5 feet in imperial. So I'm going to go and insert. And I'm going to paste clipboard. And let's see, where did it go here? Uh-oh. Oh, this is probably a mask form. That's what that is. So I'm going to go modify. Nope, I'm going to go architecture. Nope, I'm going to modify. I'm going to paste. And there is my hedge. Okay, so then I can select this and just change this to hedge. Okay, pretty neat. So anyway, that's a quick way of doing this. If you don't, we can fix this over here, bring this up. Pretty nice site features, and somebody did this and they don't have it in the later versions of Revit, which is strange. I've got it in the other versions. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to run that to you quickly, see how to do fences. And we got all types here, man. We got let me just tab these views. So in this file, they've got fencing, hedges, and they even got a timber decking. So somebody really took out even a road barrier. Pretty neat, huh? So anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. I'll see you in the next video. And yeah, this normally comes with Revit, but it didn't come with my later versions. I'm using 2026. So hey, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe and have a good day. Bye. I hope this helps.